Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, we can see that gold is little bit sideways right now. Market is taking a rest and right now market is standing around 2413, 2410. So this is the current market price here and we can see that after this strong uptrend, gold is sideways. Maybe gold is taking rest, maybe gold is in consolidation, or maybe gold is waiting for the news. If you look at the economic calendar, you can see we have existing home sales coming up during the US session, and I don't think so. This event will bring craziness to the market. I don't think the market is waiting for the existing home sales, but you can see we also have FOMC coming up. So there is a good chance that market may remain like this till FOMC, because you before a major event like FOMC, CPI, NFP, market prefers to stay silent. So let's wait and watch. And chances of market taking a direction before FOMC is quite less. So if market remains like this, it means if the volume in the market is low like this, then try to avoid breakout or breakdown trades, because for a breakout or breakdown, volume is extremely important, and we can clearly see right now that volume is missing. And we can see that there is no major change also on the levels. The levels that we discussed yesterday are still very much same. So if you have watched the video, you don't need to worry. The levels that we discussed in detail are still very much valid for the day as well. And if you need to know about the trend of the market here, then obviously the trend of the market is bullish. So if you're a positional trader, swing trader, obviously buy at retracement should be your strategy, or you should look for buy positions only. And mostly if you're a positional trader, then obviously at all time you should be looking for buy positions only, because gold is always fundamentally bullish. You'll never see gold buyers who are position traders not getting trapped. Gold sellers always get trapped, not buyers. Okay. Anyways, so swing traders also try to look for buy at retracement. And in this market condition, swing traders and position traders, you should take rest. You should wait for FOMC. After FOMC, if market takes a direction, then you can plan your trades accordingly. Now today is a market where level to level trading will be the best solution for you. Okay, so where is the best support then? We have the best support around 2375, the level that we discussed yesterday, the black line that is drawn here. 2375 because of contracts, addition of contracts, and moreover this is the level from where market bounced previously. 2375 is the best level. And if we draw FIBO, my dear friends, if we draw FIBO from the lowest point to the highest point, then we can see we have the next support around 2384. So 2375, yes, it is a good level, but 2375 is far away from the current market price. So we can also look for a good bounce around 2384 as well as 2390, the levels that we discussed yesterday. Why 2384? You can see, my dear friends, we have 2384 because of FIBO 38.2% retracement level and 200 moving average also coming up. And if we change the change the FIBO here, you can see we have the next support around 2404 or 2405 and FIBO 78.6% retracement around 2290. Okay, so if you're confused right now, let me write it down. 2290 sorry, not 2290, 2390. Okay, 2390, 2384 and 2375. These are the three levels where we can look for a good bounce as a swing trader as well as a day trader. Okay, because here we have contracts we saw yesterday and previous support. This is a 200 moving average, plus we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level, and this is also a FIBO level. So if we combine all the factors, these levels seems to be reliable level. If market comes down to this level and bounces, market shows price rejection from below, we can hit the buy button. Keep in mind, we cannot trade blindly. No level is permanent. Our capital is limited. We should not forget it. But we also have another level around 2400. On the chart, you may not see anything, but the thing is that 2400 is a round number and it is a psychological level. So if market breaks the yesterday's low, okay, yesterday market made a low around 2505, 2506 actually. So yesterday market made this low. Now listen to me carefully. Okay. So today, if you see by the European session and US session, there is a selling pressure in the market. And if you see gold going down, you can look for a sell below this level as well. Little bit riskier. The levels, the buy positions that I mentioned right now are medium risk, but it's a high risk trade. Not for everyone, but if risk is your middle name, if you have the experience of taking risk in the market, then you can look for a sell below 2406 for how much? 40 pips. Okay, try to exit around 2401, 2402 because we have the next psychological support around 2400. And if market goes up from here, suddenly we can look for a sell around 2440. And in this market condition, especially before FOMC, chances of market breaking this high, which is 2450, are very less. We can expect a market to remain like this only. Okay, so 2440 is also a selling opportunity for us if market goes up and reverses. If you're wondering why, then let me show you. Because this is a level from where market fell previously, so obviously we have sellers present around this area, and again we are drawing FIBO. You can see we have the FIBO 78.6% retracement level, and so far our levels have been doing a fine job, so we can expect that this level also to act as resistance again. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now. If you're not happy, you can switch to a lower time frame, but my dear friend, keep in mind our goal is to make money, not to prove others that we can be on trade all the time. No, we are traders, not gamblers. We only trade when the opportunity is right. Cool. And you can see this is the 50-minute chart. On 50-minute chart, yes, there are some other opportunities also. For example, if market breaks 2411, then also we can look for a sell, but it's a high risk. That's why I was not discussing. So by the European session or US session, if market breaks this level with a big red candle, then we can look for a sell. But as I was saying earlier, at the beginning of the video, that in this type of market condition, breakout and breakdowns can be a little bit tricky because of lack of volume. There is always a possibility of a false breakout. Because we mostly focus on the role of price in the market, but we forget that volume also has a very important role to play. So let's wait and watch. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye. Take care. See you all tomorrow. And all the best. Okay.